We finally variegated Black Cardinal in person. Ito pala yung itsura niya. Medyo baby pa to, but let's see how much it is. Sobrang mahal po nito last year, but I do not know if kaya na ba natin to ngayon. So, try natin i-check yung... Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we are heading to the BOHOL International Garden located at Island City Mall, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Nasa activity center po siya. So papunta tayo ngayon para i-check natin what are those plants that are still on trend kahit patapos na ang 2021. And if you are interested, we will be bringing you with us. But please do not forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! Entering the activity center at the right side, guys, we will be seeing the booth of Plant Pro BOHOL. This is usually the home of rare plants here in Tagbilaran City. So they have this anthurium tricolor which is 22,000 pesos, but of course, parang pa-mother plant siya, guys. Meron na siyang flower na ganyan. Yan yung pinagkukunan ng seeds para ma-propagate tong ganito. Something is bigger right here, dito sa katabi niya. This is another anthurium tricolor, guys. But since mas malaki siya compared to the others, expected na mas mahal to kaysa dun sa naunang ipinakita ko. So this one is 30,000 pesos. Price shaming is really a no-no when it comes to those collectors who are willing to spend a fortune just to get their dream plants. As a friendly advice, they have tags all over telling you na bawal hawakan yung mga dahon, guys. Kasi plants can also get bruises, lalo na kapag ganito na naka-display sila buong araw, tapos sobrang dami ng tao na maaring humawak sa kamay, lalo na kapag hindi namamalayan. So, refrain from being touchy, guys, lalo na kapag hindi mo naman bibilihin. Kawawa po yung mga plants at the end of the day kapag hawak kayo ng hawak. So, this area is full of variegated anthuriums, guys. Cardboard is also an anthurium. Ginmani ay nga siya. Eto, mas maliit-liit ng konti kesa dun sa ibang anthurium foliages na napakita kanina. This is worth 20,000 pesos. So, of different sizes talaga yung available na naka-display dito sa ICM. You can also send them a message, guys. They also have Instagram. They are just Plant Bro BOHOL by Sir Michael Yu and Sir Vendo Madag. Pwede kayong mag-reach out sa kanila for these plants that they have here na maipapakita namin sa inyo ngayon if ever you are interested. Something right here is really not familiar for me. It's tinue. I do not know if I read it right kasi ngayon ko lang siya nakita. But this is expensive, guys. And for sure, yung mga collectors, kilala to. Ako, kasi wala naman kami nito and syempre hindi siya usually nakikita sa mga garden and first time ko nga lang to as I have mentioned earlier. So nagugulat pa din ako. Meron silang Angela, guys, or the African Fantasy, which is now a tomatophyllum. This one right here is medyo maliit pa, guys. So, medyo affordable pa yung price. Kasi habang lumalaki, nagmamahal po talaga. Based on what I see na prices online, medyo mura na yun, guys. They also have the Philodendron Black Cardinal, guys, which is worth 4,800 pesos. Ito siya. Meron siyang bagong dahon na papalabas, which is something that we consider when it comes to buying a plant, guys. Pag nakakakita kami na merong bagong dahon na papalabas. So, yon, nagagandahan kami sa ganon, meaning stable siya. Another one here is a Gigantium Blizzard, which is worth 1,200 pesos. I think this is a mother plant kasi meron siyang nakat dito sa ibabaw. Anyway, just to let you know, yung Black Cardinal namin at home, also yung Epiprimnum pinatum na Albo and Aurea, including the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, came from Plant Bro BOHOL. If you are considering to buy from them, we can assure you that you are buying from the best. Hala, meron na silang mga philodendron red Congo na 600 pesos guys. Meron ka nang makikitang mga aerial roots na lumalabas. One good sign of stability that we always look for. They also have the anthurium vichii here that is worth 3,500 pesos. Baby pa siya. They also have variegated subhastatum for 350 pesos. Sobrang fast grower po ng subhastatum guys. So I do suggest that you get some. Tapos nakalagay pa siya dito sa transparent pot. Makikita mo talaga yung progress sa roots niya sa ilalim. Lalo na kapag medyo sensitive yung tinatanim nyo. I really go for that kind of pot. They have philodendron Birkin here guys. Ito, this is worth 350 pesos. I really remember how much Birkins were before. Tapos ngayon meron ng mga mura guys. Go grab and get one. If ever you don't have one yet, kasi mabilis naman siyang paramihin guys, medyo sensitive nga lang. They also have green standliana for 300 pesos and the pinati partita for 350 guys. Both plants can trail, so it would be best if lagyan sila ng pole. This one, I just didn't see the name, pero hindi ko alam. Basta type of monstera siya guys. I just don't know if this is Adansonii. Baka Adansonii ito, meron din kasing iba na ano pa yung mga tawag lanyata, merong mga ganon, so hindi ako sure. What we are showing right now are those plants na usually nakikita pa namin online, mga pinupost online, binibenta pa din kasi marami din pong plants na wala na masyadong nagpo-post online guys and wala na din masyadong bumibili. Kaya nga medyo merong nagpo-post na nalalaos na or talagang hindi na uso yung plants. Well, maybe for those people who went along with the trend lalo na nung nagka-pandemic kasi yung mga real plantitos and plantitas hindi naniniwala na uso-uso yung plants guys. Walang season dito. This one right here is a white princess at 4,500 pesos from Green Living. Ito yung itsura niya guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung differential niya dun sa white wizard. If there are a lot of you here in this channel who happen to knows more about this one, kindly enlighten us guys kasi hindi talaga kami aware. So merong magandang Florida Beauty dito. Usually talaga mamahalin po ang Florida Beauty. Eto guys, tatlo yung dahon niya. Look how beautiful the variegations are. Ayan o, hindi siya nag-full na pagka-variegated guys. Yung iba kasi merong nag-half moon, yung iba nag-full blast yung variegation. Eto parang pakunti-kunti pero klarong-klaro yung pagka-variegated niya. Sobrang ganda guys. So expected na po na sobrang mahal niyan. Eto naman is the Golden Warsiwizii. Wala siyang price na nakalagay pero that's how Golden Warsiwizii looks like. A begonia is also here guys. Wala po siyang nakalagay na price. Wala din po siyang nakalagay na pangalan. So hindi kami aware kung anong begonia siya. Eto, another African fantasy guys. Mas malaki-laki kesa dun sa napakita namin kanina. Also known as Angela guys. So iisa lang po ang African Fantasy and Angela if ever hindi ko man na-mention kanina. This one is bigger. So this is worth 18,000 pesos. Kung napapansin nyo, marami talagang cocoa chips na nakalagay bawat potting media guys. So alam nyo na kung ano yung purpose doon. Nababanggit namin siya dun sa mga videos namin. Up until now, yung mga William guys, Narrow Tiger Tooth or the Ceratum, they are still here. Marami pa din pong bumibili sa kanila. Kaya up until now, marami pa din nagbibenta and still they are included in expos. Eto guys is something beautiful pero walang nakalagay na pangalan. Mamahalin din siya, 18,000 pesos. Baka meron sa inyo na kilala to. Sana naman nilagyan to ng pangalan. But more of like velvety yung dahon niya guys. And then klarong-klaro yung veins niya. Parang luminous yata. Mukhang luminous yung veins niya. Tapos, the next one is the Regal. Ito yata yung pangalan, Regali. Hindi ako sure. It's 12,000 pesos guys. And isa lang yung dahon niya. For sure, this is a collector's item kasi mamahalin. This is a huge burgundy, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Ayan, marami na siyang mga dahon. And let's just see how much it is. So, this one is 4,000 pesos. So far, sa mga nakikita ko, guys, mas mahal yung mga anthuriums compared sa philodendrons. Let's see up until the end of this vlog kung ano nga ba talaga yung mas mahal dito sa expo na to, kung anthurium ba or philodendron. Kasi parang hindi close yung price range nila eh. Mas mahal talaga. So this one, walang pangalan guys, is 3,000 pesos. I don't know if this is the golden philodendron. Marami kasi ako nakikitang nagpo-post ng ganon. Or the golden millinonii. Eto naman is the horsehead guys. It's worth 2,500. See, ang layo ng diferensya niya sa mga anthuriums guys. So far, nangunguna yung anthuriums when it comes to the price. Mas mamahalin sila ngayon. So, let's see kung matatalo ba yan. Ito is the philodendron bilite. Meron ng tig 2.5 guys. Dati sobrang expensive ng bilite. I still remember someone selling philodendron bilite, which is of course malaki na din, for 16,000 pesos. And since marami kaming tricolor sa bahay, check natin kung magkano yung mga ganito guys. So, etong mga ganitong size, 1,000 pala siya. Ito yung madami sa amin guys. Nakikita nyo naman on our uploads. Every time nagpapakita kami ng garden, marami kaming ganito. So, ito pala yung price niya ngayon. Dati, medyo mahal-mahal din to guys. Ngayon, nagsibabaan na kasi yung price. O, ito mas maliit-liit pa, but this is worth 1,000 pesos. Marami ka nang mabibili nito guys. Kahit mga 500. Meron pa ngang below that. Meron ka nang makikitang nagbibenta online. Ito, ito yung size niya. This is worth 500 pesos. Ito, mas malaki-laki yata to ng konti, pero still 500. Ayan, yan yung size niya guys. So, depende pa din sa size yung price. Meron palang 750 dito. Depende din po sa dami ng dahon. So, yun yata yung pinagbabasihan ng price nila. Pero itong mga ganito yung itsura guys, mga shoots na sila. Lalo na kapag makikita nyo na dumaan talaga sa pinakamaliit yung dahon. Alam nyo guys, sa mga nakikita ko dito, medyo mas mura ang red Congo compared sa red diamond. Ito yung mga red Congo guys na galing shoots talaga. Merong tigwa 1.8. Meron pa ngang lower than that. Meron kanina, 'di ba? Merong 600. Pero eto malaki-laki na. Compared to the red diamond, guys, 1K but super maliit pa. If you have been following our shorts video, guys, makikita nyo na kino-compare ko yung itsura ng red diamond and ng red Congo. Pero eto guys, eto nga pala yung presyuhan nila. So sa price pala sila nagkaka-diferensya. Eto is a big version of that philodendron horsehead. There is a philodendron black cardinal guys, pero nakalagay siya dito sa gilid. I do not know if sold na ba siya. Medyo maganda yung tubo ng dahon niya, parang pabilog siya guys. Sobrang cute niya tingnan. So nakalagay lang siya dito, baka may nagmamay-ari na. Kay Ma'am Juliet Buba pala to guys. And just to let you know, nakapagbenta po sila ng Monstera Thigh Constellation. Giant na nga po. It's worth 120,000 pesos. But originally 150,000 pesos daw. Pero hindi ako sure if I heard it right ha. Basta around that price guys. So I'll just insert a picture para magka-idea kayo kung ano yung itsura ng Thigh-Con na nabenta nila. They also have red Congo and bird Congo guys. I don't know much about the difference between the two. Pero sa nakikita ko, medyo pointed yung bird Congo guys. And if you know much about this, please do comment down below. Kasi hindi ako masyadong nakakarinig about this one. I don't know if this is for real na variegated siya. Kasi sobrang mura ng 6.5 for a variegated philodendron guys. Ito yata yung bird Congo. Ito yung itsura niya guys. Sobrang pointed niya sa dulo. And medyo pakulot-kulot yung dahon niya. So, kindly comment down below if kilala nyo to guys. Malapit na nating malibot lahat. On our previous video, we were focusing on variegated plants. Pero dito guys, sa mga interesado, hindi lang sa variegated plants, they also have a lot here. Super ganda ng mga ganito guys, pero kapag stable na, once hindi pa acclimated, nako, pass tayo. Let's move on to the last one here. Saving the best for last, this is the variegated philodendron black cardinal. Ito pala yung itsura niya in person guys. Ngayon ko lang po siya nakita sa personal. And naririnig ko na yung about dito last year pa. So let's see kung magkano to guys. The price, oh my god, this is 300,000 pesos. So now I know, masasagot ko na, mas mahal pala yung philodendron kisa anthurium. Let's add pa the variegated green Congo, which is 310,000 pesos. So yun guys, you just made it till the end. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video.